Hello friends, I am Rakesh Kumar. Welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about debate. What is the meaning of debate? Debate means opinion and counter opinion. Suppose there is a topic, love marriages versus arranged marriages. So, suppose team A is in favor of love marriages and team B is in favor of arranged marriages. There are, suppose, three members in team A, and in team B also there are three members. Okay, and these members are in favor of love marriages and these members are in favor of arranged marriages. So they will say love marriages are good, they will say arranged marriages are good, they will say in love marriage we can marry the person we love. They will say in arranged marriage the person who is found by our parents and parents are more mature, we get marriage, so that is arranged marriage and that is good. They will say in love marriage we find our partner ourselves of our choice, but they will say our parents are more mature and marriage is very important in life, so this decision should be good enough, and the love marriages are not so successful. So many cases are coming of divorce in love marriage, but arranged marriages are very successful. 90% arranged marriages are successful. They will say in love marriage we can remove caste, we can remove dowry system. They will say this can be done in arranged marriage also. Right? In arranged marriage nobody is saying that you should go in the same caste, in the same community. Go in other community. So this way they will discuss. So this is debate. Now I will tell about some tone of speaking. You can use them in debate. Like you can say I think. Okay. Then you can say I would say. Then you can say I agree, but I want to add. Right? And you can say I would like to say. Okay. Then you can say In my opinion, you can use according to me. Then you can use as far as I am concerned. You can say I have different opinion. Or you can say I don't agree. So these tones of speaking can be used. In a debate, either we speak in favor of the topic or we speak in against of the topic. We can't speak in favor and in against at the same time. So remember this point. Give your views in favor or in against. Honorable jury members, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Rahul, and today I am here to present my views in favor of old age homes. According to me, in today's world, old age homes are necessary, especially in India. Parents educate their children and then they travel to different places and countries which may not suit their parents. Hence, if someone looks after their needs, there is no harm in it. Sometimes children are good, but they are busy in their career. Parents cannot go with them everywhere. They are ready to pay any amount for their welfare. Old age homes don't mean only for the people who are deserted by their children. Old age homes supply a number of needs of old people. They take care of them. The old people don't feel lonely there. In today's scenario, people are very busy. I agree, there are some people who only care about money and think their parents as a burden. But there are some people who do business or job out of the city. So they are unable to look after their parents. In both cases, the children abandon them. In such a situation, the old age homes play an important role. If elders are kept here, they will have regular checkups. Even the children of them come to meet them. So I feel we need old age homes to give shelter to such old people. Honorable jury members, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Alok. Today I am here to present my views against the necessity of old age homes. I think we must care for parents who cared for us. They spent their whole life for their children, and it is our responsibility to care for them in turn when they are old. When we are busy with our career, we should remember that if they had not done sacrifices, we would not have got anything. If we care our parents now, only then our children will care us. We should remember that one day we will also become old. We should understand that they need us in old age. I really oppose of leaving our parents in old age homes. When our parents become old, it is our responsibility to take care of them. These days we see that many people leave their parents. They have no respect for them. They don't care Whether they die or they live, they have neither love nor time for them. They are busy in their own life. Parents in their old age are only burden for the children. But they should think how their parents will manage in old age homes. Are they not going to give them a type of punishment? Will they not become old one day? They must be ready for the same treatment from their children. Honorable jury members, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Alok. Today I am here to present my views against mobile phones. In olden age, people used to visit their friends and relatives. But look at our generation, how often we get to see our relatives. We have become very formal. We just make a phone call to talk to them instead of visiting them. Even we call our parents, grandparents through phones to check if they are doing well. We wish Diwali and New Year by sending messages only. Even we do not meet our friends. We are living in fast moving world where social life is centered around the mobile phone. There is no real social life. We are only social on social media. Every time people remain busy on mobile phones. What more, I have seen people talking through mobile to the family members in the next room. Leave aside the social life. Think about the health problems which come due to excess use of mobile phone. It is a scientific fact that cell phones emit some radio frequency, a form of radiation, which can be absorbed by tissues in our body. Many people keep hearing songs on mobile phones. It is also very harmful for our eyes. The light coming from phone is also very harmful. Excess use of phone brings headache. Are we not inviting diseases? The excess use of mobile phone is very harmful for our health. Honorable judges, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Rahul. Today I am here to present my views in favor of mobile phones. Mobile phones are very useful. We use internet on mobile phone. We can get railway ticket, air ticket, movie ticket on mobile. Even we can do shopping, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. applications have become very popular. These days mobile phone is full entertainment package. I want to ask how much time and energy was wasted traveling around just to ask something or tell something to another person. Cell phones are really blessings. We save a lot of time and we can spend that time for other productive purposes or just relax with our family. Some of my friends mentioned some health issues regarding the radiation from mobile phones. I agree that cell phones exit minor amount of radiation, but it is too small to cause any harm. Someone here said mobile phones damage our social life and family life. I completely disagree. How many times you can visit your relatives who live in another town? Maybe 2 or 3 times a year. That is what our previous generation used to do. Imagine how lucky we are. We can talk anybody and at any time on cell phone. Even we can do video call also. We cannot imagine life without cell phone. Mobile has brought information revolution. Mobile phones are very useful in our life.